again to apps, and we go to apps and we'll try this one. And now we tap open, connect. Now I'm allowing access to my Publer. And now the same thing. I am selecting a workspace, for example, clients. And now I see all the posts. Okay, I know what is the problem. Here's the button called export to Publer. So here, I don't need to download this image to computer. I just going to um optimal image size that I know looks good in this kind of I don't know why I think that there is the size limitation. So, and I can export all the pages, or I can export two pages, or I can export just current page. I'm doing done, and now I'm doing export, and I think that now it will open Publer in another window here. Let's see, view and Publer, continue. Now I'm see it's in workspace clients, okay? Now I'm just clicking here and use media, and then I can choose this specific client. Um, okay, and now I can schedule the post. Okay, so it's easy. You just going once again, we are going in Canva, we are going to apps, we are making Publer connection, and we are press the button export to Publer and choosing the right dimension, or dimension it's static, I can see, but what page we want to export, and that's all. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.